In this video, we're going to be going over everything you need to know about ChatGPT Canvas. Before we dive in, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and without further ado, let's get right into the video. Once you're on ChatGPT, to activate Canvas, you need to click the plus icon on the left of the sidebar, then go down to More, then select Canvas. Canvas should now show up as blue on the prompt box. You can now enter your prompt. For example, I'm going to ask ChatGPT to write an essay exploring the history of art movements. ChatGPT has now provided its response, but in a black box. At the top of the box are 3 buttons. We can copy the whole text. Next to that is an edit button. If we click this, it will take us into an editor. On the right, we can manually edit the text like so. If we highlight any other text, this box will pop up. If we select Ask ChatGPT, we can enter a prompt to edit the specific part of the text we highlighted. For example, if I type, "Please can you make this more detailed?" ChatGPT has now made that specific part more detailed. When highlighting text, we have a few other options. We can make it bold, italic, or turn it into a heading or body. We can use the prompt box on the left to make changes to the output. For example, I'm going to type, "Please can you make the whole essay shorter?" ChatGPT has now edited the essay based on my prompt. To exit the editor, we need to click the cross at the top of the page. Going back to the 3 buttons, the third one allows you to download the document. If we click this, we have the option to download as a PDF, Word document, or Markdown document. That's all we have for this video on ChatGPT Canvas. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.